Costco. Let's find some deals. Always grab a cart. All right, I was gonna cut across, but looky here. First deal, Spindrift, which we actually like, and it's on sale, $5 off. I'm definitely gonna buy a box of this. By the way, Ohio gozaimasu. So yeah, we used to drink Sanzo. That was our favorite. But the price on this, when it's on sale, you gotta get it. And this got the blood orange, lemon, lime. Pretty basic, but kids like it. That's what matters. Also, what I like about this is sparkling water flavored with literally just fruit juice, I believe. Let's look down below. Lemon juice, lime extract, blood orange juice, tangerine juice, citric acid. Pretty natural. Normally 20 bucks. Less than $15 with a sale. Oh, I am gonna cut across though. It's been a while since I've been to Costco. I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately, but I've been that busy. Bagel crisps. If you know, you know. I remember getting these at Trader Joe's. They have their own version of it, but these, very good. I think these have, oh yeah, look, a lot of garlic flavor. Garlic Parmesan. I think it's a pretty good healthy snack. A little bit different than having potato chips. $2 off right now, so that's a steal. Actually, one of the things that's been happening is Judy, if you don't know, I'm sure most of you guys know her, is my wife. And she hasn't really gone to Costco since I started doing Costco vlogs. I've been traveling a lot. I've been kind of busy in the office, so she's been going shopping and I think having fun. She buys a lot. So I didn't see any bread sales, but lo and behold, they have a pastry sale, so close enough. Little chocolate pastries. Are these from France? Highly doubt it. Let's see. Product of France. Oh, snap. So legit. This is French right now. $3 off. Wow. $6.99 for quite a bit of pastries. My gosh. France really does have some of the best bread. I remember going there years ago, almost 20 years ago now, which is nuts to even think about, but baguettes with cheese, maybe some meat. That's all you need. No mayo, maybe butter every morning. That's what I was eating. I told myself when I went to Paris, I was gonna eat croissants and baguettes, any kind of bread all day. I didn't eat any fancy meals, but I did eat a lot of bread and I was very happy for it. Okay, that's just too cute. Summit. Anybody a fan of this stuff? I actually like this cereal. I like that it has lots of cranberries, some almonds in there. Nice little mix. $3 off right now. So if you like this cereal, now's a good time to get stocked up on it. Let's see when this expires. December 2026. So you got basically the rest of the year if you buy this right now. I mentioned Judy already went shopping a couple times in the last couple of weeks. So we're kind of stocked up. I always come because you never know when there's gonna be different sales, especially on anything you can keep in the pantry, like this sparkling water or like cereal. Now, I'm not gonna buy this cereal, but I'm sure I'm gonna find some other good deals. And even if I only leave with a few items in the cart, since I'm already gonna be in the area, totally worth the visit. Udon noodles, $5 off for this whole box. I've never tried this, but let me know if this is good. Is it worth it? I don't know, there's something about having udon out of a package like this that I'm not a big fan of. Now, if you go to Japan, of course, it's gonna be way better than anything you can get in the box, but I don't usually eat udon at home, like from an instant package. I like to have it at the actual udon shop, especially in Japan. But if you like it, let me know in the comments if it's worth the buy. Variety pack of crackers on sale. I got the original multi-grain and crispy butter, $2 off. Not on sale, but an interesting buy here. Turmeric ginger chicken bone broth. So I love their beef bone broth, and normally I buy it here, but I haven't seen it in a while. So now they got this stuff. This is more for drinking because turmeric ginger chicken bone broth, I wouldn't want to use that for cooking. It is expensive, but it's really worth it. This is some good stuff. If you see the beef kettle on fire bone broth, definitely buy that. Pretzel crisps, $3.80 off, $5 for this whole bag, and I totally prefer the thin pretzels just because they're crispier, more like a chip. If you're a fan of Cholula, definitely buy this right now, $2.50 off. This stuff you can just put in the pantry, it'll last you a while. Also imported from Mexico. Guess that's not that surprising. When does this expire though? November 12th, 2027. Could keep it for 2 years. Have you guys heard of Fishwife? It's this company that does kind of like bougie canned fish or canned seafood. This is sardines with lemon. We got albacore tuna and then smoked rainbow trout. Yummers. But yeah, I saw a documentary about this company and a lady tried to make fancy canned seafood. The documentary was saying that there hasn't been a lot of innovation, I guess you could say, in the canned seafood industry. So she wanted to make something that was kind of a little more fancy, a little more elevated. Obviously we all know about, what's this brand? Chicken of the Sea, kind of the standard, but nothing sexy about it. It's just whatever. But Fish Wife, that's fancy. Is it good though? Let me know. Quinoa and brown rice on sale, $3 off right now. Never tried it. Fried kimchi rice. I mean, do you get literally kimchi and rice in there? That's pretty cool. $4 off right now. This is something I probably would not buy because I like real kimchi and we almost always have rice. So they have like instant rice and kimchi. Kind of strange to me, but it's on sale. Guys, we hit the jackpot. This stuff right here, Kinder's The Blend, salt, pepper, and garlic, legit and also on sale. I don't use it, but I know it's really popular. This Montreal steak seasoning, also on sale for, let's just say, $2.50 off. All right, $2.50 off this huge thing. Kinder's barbecue sauce. This stuff is actually really good. And this is $2.50 off. So this is $7.49 for the 2 bottles. Great deal. The Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. Love that stuff. Just makes it hella convenient if you're gonna use all 3 of those. And it's actually pretty good. We use it quite a bit when we're cooking. And sometimes I'll even ask her, hey, did you put that, seasoning on there? I always forget the name, but it's really good. And it's on sale. Stock up on that. That'll last forever. Be roasted edamame. High protein super snack on sale right now, $2.30 off. So you get this pretty hefty, heavy bag for $5.39. Okay, also made with avocado oil. What is up with everybody using avocado oil? Speaking of avocado oil, look at this. This is some avocado oil spray and it is on sale right now, $4.50 off. So if there is ever a time you want to buy this, it is definitely right now. How is this stuff? I almost feel like I should get this. Naturally non-stick, 100% pure, naturally refined, high smoke point. That's good for cooking. You don't want to use like olive oil for when you're doing high heat cooking, so this is good stuff. Oh, my girls would love this. Crust Offs. Never heard of this brand, but obviously everybody knows Crustables. And this right now is $3 off, so $9. And I didn't know this stuff was refrigerated, which I guess kind of makes sense, but more of a snack, but really delicious snack. Oh, 11 grams of protein, bonus. The girls would ask for it every single morning for breakfast. I'm gonna skip it today though. All right, look what I found. Another flavor of Spindrift. So I bought 2 of the other one. This one, you got pink lemonade, strawberry lemonade, and lemon limeade. Swap out one of these other ones. Parent alert. You guys already know, if you shop at Costco and you've got kids, Dino Buddies, $3.50 off. I don't buy these often, but if they're on sale, I'm definitely buying it. Maybe 2 boxes of this stuff right here. Next to it, Panko chicken breasts, $5 off for that whole 5-pound bag. That's a great deal, $13. This is one of our favorite snacks we like to give the kids. These super fruit freezies, organic, got some good flavors in there. Strawberry, lemon, mango, orange, blueberry, pomegranate, and especially the little ones, they love this. Now that it's summertime, must buy, $3 off. That's when you want to get it. Best Foods mayo on sale, almost $3 off, so $6.79 for this honker, which seems still kind of expensive. 20 years ago, that would have been 99 cents. But here we are in 2026. Boom Chica popcorn, sweet and salty, $2.30 off right now. Lesser Evil organic Himalayan gold popcorn, also on sale, $1.50 off, so $4.49 for the whole bag. Let's be honest, selling popcorn, a little bit of a scam. A little bit. So popcorn, you can make popcorn at home, easy. I mean, go get the microwave popcorn, it's good. And it's definitely way cheaper than that. I think kids and adults are gonna love these sales. Drumsticks, I'm all about that caramel inside the middle. $3.20 off right now. And then also these Outshine fruit pops, $2.50 off, so $7.49 for 36 pops. That's a good deal right there. Trying to get you with those summer sales. It is getting hotter here in the Seattle area, which I'm sure is getting warmer in all parts of the country. It's a good time when the sun comes out here in Seattle. We're much happier. Ooh, kombucha, organic, brew doctor. I don't know how much sugar it has, but let's check it out. $4 off right now. I've only drank this stuff one time. Let's see what the sugar content is like here. This has got 13 grams of sugar. That's not bad. Total 17 grams of carbs. You know what? This is not a bad deal. $4 off, $8 for, I'm guessing a 6-pack. Kombucha is expensive, but if there was ever time to get it, right now. Oikos 000 Greek yogurt, 15 grams of protein, strawberry, mixed berry, vanilla. Love those flavors. Almost $5 off. So you get that whole box of 18 yogurts for less than $10 right now. And I feel like Greek yogurt really got lucky because it's naturally a high protein food. I think a lot of yogurt has a good amount of protein, but Greek yogurt just even more protein. And because people are obsessed with high protein foods, a lot of people buy it. All right, we got some end cap deals. The Stonefire little non-dippers, which are really good. These are just the smaller versions of the big ones, $2 off. Not sure why these are refrigerated and the other ones aren't, but oh, maybe it's because they want to put it next to this hummus, organic, not on sale, but right next to the naan, which you can dip into it. Laughing Cow cheese, favorite of kids. I remember when I was growing up, I loved just peeling those. Just really fun, really soft. $3.50 off right now. Last but not least, Gorgonzola blue cheese crumbled. Good stuff. Had that before. $2 off right now. Their end cap deal. We got the Panera mac and cheese. Not as good as the Beechers, but this is not frozen, so that's a bonus. $3.60 off, $8 for 2 packages. Sounds hella good. Got some smoked mozzarella with artichokes and garlic. Chicken sausage, $3.80 off right now. And right next to it, I think this is more chicken burgers. Caramelized onions, ooh, with aged white cheddar. These patties, $4 off, so $11, and you're gonna get, how many do you get in there? 8 burgers on sale. Those chicken burger patties, I feel like would be good with this. Cilantro crema, probably overstock from Cinco de Mayo, $2 off right now. So $6, you get 2 bottles of that. Those were some good sales. Next is Memorial Day. I don't see any Memorial Day specific sales right now, but it's coming. We got some laundry detergent deals here. Tide Ultra Oxy, this is $6 off, so $25 for this whole box. And then right here, which we bought before, this is their Ecos plant-powered laundry detergent, 225 loads. This is $4 off. This right here, $12.49. I like this one, a little bit more natural than the other stuff. A lot of cleaning supply deals today. We actually buy this specific sponge right here, Zero Scratch Scotch-Brite. This is $4 off, so $11 for all of this. 24 pack. Over here, Swiffer Duster. I do see this. Well, this thing is totally scrunched, but yeah, we do have this around the house. $4 off, so $14.59 for this. Okay, well, that's probably why it's scrunched. Someone's forced it in there. Personally, I'm not a big fan of these fabric softeners, but Judy does like it. These are the little beads. This is $3 off right now. And over here, we got some dishwasher little tabs. You know, we use the powder stuff now, so we don't use the ones that have the gels, but this is on sale, $4 off. So if you like this, it's a deal right now. This is our go-to, and sometimes this Blue Land dishwasher detergent does go on sale once or twice a year. $25, definitely more expensive, but we just use powders for the dishwasher, for the laundry, just the white standard powder. The Blue Land, that's just a powder put into like a little tablet, so basically the same thing. That one just happens to be more natural, better for the environment. You don't need the liquids. You don't need those little tablets that have the little color liquids inside of them either. Less plastic, the better. Not just for you, but also for the environment. So this is what we buy for our laundry right now. Standard Kirkland Signature laundry detergent. It's stuff we all grew up with. Obviously Tide being the big brand, $20, 10 cents per load, 200 loads. I mean, you saw even that big bottle on sale. It doesn't beat this stuff at the regular price. Now, if this was on sale, I'd be stocking up on that for sure. You know, when I first started dating Judy, I was kind of a health nut, total hippie, tree hugger. I still am. You know, that's still a big part of me. I think about the environment. I think about locally sourcing, all natural, organic if I can. But having kids, especially 5 kids, that'll change you. Start getting more price sensitive, more conscious of costs, and also you start caring about different things. You start prioritizing different aspects of your purchases and, you know, your life in general. Still a hippie, just not as hardcore. Pellegrino, these are in the plastic bottles, on sale, $5.75 off, so $17 for 24 bottles. And way over here, coconut water on sale, $5.80 off, so $17 for an 18 pack of this Vita Coco coconut water. Again, these days, this is my go-to. I used to buy the fancy stuff that's in the refrigerator aisle, but way more expensive, probably double the price, maybe better. 9 33-ounce bottles, $20. Plenty of toilet paper, means the world's okay right now. Clean ice, lifesaver flavored. Wow, wonder who they're marketing that to. I'm gonna rapid fire these. Gatorade on sale. Probably would try it once, but I'm not gonna regularly drink it. And then I have not tried this either, but this Alani, $6 off. Okay, now that's probably the best deal here. Poppy is also on sale. Maybe this is still on sale from the last time I vlogged. By Dixie, ultra microwavable. This actually sounds good. G2G protein bar, peanuts and chocolate or peanut butter, $3 off right now. These popsicles are getting kind of crazy. So pretty standard, good pop, cherry and lemonade flavor. We all grew up with it, something, you know, like this. Oh, what about this? High Chew Pop. It's got ice cream and then some kind of popsicle around it. Trolley Gummy Pop popsicles. Kid fave, I'm sure. If you grew up in SoCal, you know all about this. Delicious. See these at the border when you're going into Mexico or leaving Mexico. Okay, Dole Whip, popular. You get it in Hawaii, Disneyland, and Costco now. Nutella ice cream cone. That's all you need to say. All right, so today I'm gonna skip the fruits and veggies department because Judy already got a whole bunch. But the main reason I'm here, other than checking out the sales, I'm making adobo. And lately, I've been doing chicken adobo by buying one of these whole chicken packs. 2 whole chickens, organic, $20? Oh, not $20, $30. They're a good deal. I got confused by that. 30 bucks, $15 each. This will feed all of us, and we'll have plenty of chicken breast meat for something else, maybe like a butter chicken or something like that. And I already got garlic at home, got soy sauce, vinegar, got that. That's all I need. Bay leaves, got it. Last but not least, milk. Not for the adobo, we just need some. Okay, get some whole milk here. Let's see, what's the date here? 7/13, 7/13, all right. Let's see if I can get it in there. Oh, okay. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have fun here. Gotta fight the temptation. Churro caramel ice cream, calzone, chicken bake, classic pizza, or even the hot dog. Hard to say no, but I'm going to today. Anyways, today's bill, 115 bucks. Savings as I get. $17. Take it. All right, you guys, happy Memorial Day if I don't talk to you till then, and happy shopping. A lot of deals, good ones.